Luke, come here.
Hey everybody, Mighty Man Handyman here. It is a beautiful day in Grand Junction, Colorado. Short sleeve shirts, wonderful. And today we got our cabinets. Well, we got them last week, and we've been showing you the door samples and like that. And so here's the finished product right here. These are the uppers. Say hi, Luke. There's our dog, Lukey. Here's the upper cabinets right here. Just want to show you all that. Soft close. You know, there's one of the uppers right there. So we're just getting them together. There you go. Boom. So that's 3 of the uppers right there. We gotta adjust them. Don't look at the gapping and stuff. We have to adjust them once we get them hung on the walls. We'll do the final adjustments. What?
They'll move again while you're on their way.
Yeah. So we'll do the final adjustments. So they come to us in flat boxes just like that. If you look in the garage, you can see our flat boxes, our pile of flat boxes, and some assembly required. So we're gonna start assembling. Just show you what we got going on here. We're doing one of the sink bases right now, really quick here. So these things slide together, and you know what? Here, while we're at it, this is what I was telling you guys. Plywood. It's not any of that sawdust board. It's all plywood. The face frame is real wood. So we'll just get this one together. Oh, did I go too far? Yep. There we go. Okay. Other side. Oh, you already got the glue? Okay. Excellent. These things are great. I love them. They go together so well. Actually, these are actually, and people are like, oh, they come in a flat box. You know what? These are built better than the stuff you buy at the box stores, because they just kind of do some square jigs, and they put some hot glue stuff in there, slap it in, put some staples in it, and call it good. This actually has V-notched tongue and groove style. All right, now we gotta do the, let's see, there's the floor. Excuse me. Okay. Put a little glue in there. That's just, okay. I go a little extra step and glue everything. You don't have to, but I like to do a little extra glue, just because I know it
Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong with a little extra glue. Hold all together. Alrighty.
Actually, this one, you probably slide in the
Just
bottom
drop it
first.
right in there. Just like that. Okay. Let's stand this sucker up. Maybe if we can.
Oops.
That's why we have cardboard on the bottom. It's protected us all.
Okay. There we go. Oh, your weight. There we go. Okay, a little glue in the groove here. And then you got the bottom right here. Or back, sorry. Not back, bottom. Back side. I love these things. Did you say hi, Dustin?
Hi, guys.
Gotta get that in there. Gotta get that in there, right?
Got to.
Gotta get that in there.
That's a must.
You have to see Dustin's shirt. Okay, so this is his last shirt he got.
Yeah, this
Where
is
is it?
in
military.
Afghanistan, look.
When I was in
Made
the
in
military.
Afghanistan.
Do you see anything wrong with the shirt?
Yep, supported my last platoon that I was in. 14 trans.
Look, we died together.
Yep. The good old Afghanistan forgot who you are.
All right, let's turn this around really quick. There's a cabinet right there.
There you go.
Well, there's a little more to do. We got toe kick to put on, so let's lay it down flat on its back.
Okay.
Ready? Okay. So now, toe kick. Just a dab of glue in there. That's it. Voila. And it just slides up in there like that. Just like that. And then... What's the matter? What? Oh. Well, there's an actual toe kick piece that'll go across
Yeah.
there. It looks good.
Okay.
This just holds the cabinet together. right near the top. It slides all the way up. Voila. And then we got some brackets here that go on these. Get one here, one there, and same here and here. Okay, so we're about done assembling this little extra bracketry that we put in there. You don't get this in some of the other box store stuff. And then it gets this little corner right here. It'll go right there. Just like so. Like that. That'll hold that all together, keep it all nice and square. And then we got our drawers to assemble and put the runners in, and then we got our doors that go on, and this cabinet will be done. So
that is what they look like when they're done.
yep, that's that particular model, yeah, or style.
Some of them
Yep,
look like this.
I like it. That's a good looking style.
Soft close.
Yep. And there's the rails for the drawers, which are soft close as well. See that nice big bundle of stuff they send us, which I cannot get open.
Ouch.
Yep, there we go.
Way to go.
Yep, let's see, it goes just like that.
It's a good thing they're tough.
Now they go that way. So there you go, see? Boop. Look at that. That's a nice
Do it
rail.
again.
Look at that. Look, see, it's got a little hydraulic cylinder in there. Look at that. So when you go boop. Oh, hold on, let me get my finger out of the way. Let me try these again. Ready? Boop. Just like that. Isn't that nice?
All
Yep.
right.
So that's the soft close floor. All right, well, we're going to get back to work. We're going to get this assembled, and we're going to get this finished up. If you have a need for a kitchen, let me know, guys. I'd be happy to price you one for. Like I said, I can beat most of the competitors around town. So ask me about it. And we're going to get these
Assembled.
assembled. You can find this video, of course, on our webpage, mightymanhandyman.com. And you can find us on Instagram and YouTube. And where else? Is that it? Did I name all? Pinterest. Pinterest. Yes, we're on Pinterest as well. So we'll have some pictures of this on Pinterest probably here later in a few days probably. And we'll be installing these Monday. So we'll have a picture of these hanging up on the wall Monday. So,
Okay.
all right. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.